You are welcome to the People Factor channel. Here we prioritize discussions about working, workplaces, HR matters, jobs and job opportunities and other earning endeavors. Today, we will share information on how to use LinkedIn's job alerts to find hidden opportunities, and I will share my screen with you throughout the presentation. Are you struggling to find the right job on LinkedIn? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a powerful, underused feature that brings hidden job opportunities directly to your inbox, automatically? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use LinkedIn's job alerts to unlock better results in your job search. Let's start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Click on Sign In at the top right corner, then enter your email and password. I already have an account active on this browser, so the system will open up my profile directly. If you do not, you would need to create an account with your email, following the prompts until you create an active account. Once you're in, look at the top menu bar, and among all the different menus there, you will find the Job tab. Click on it. This is where you can search for different roles and openings that match your skill set, qualification, knowledge, experiences. Also, you can set alerts and discover personalized recommendations with the same tab. If you wish to follow through the procedures as I am running it, put a prompt in the comment section for me to know. It is important that you state specifically the job titles or description of the roles you are interested in. Better still, type in the keyword of the role you are looking for and you will see a drop-down list of similar roles, or even others that have the same nature as what you are interested in. Now, let us use the role of Quality Assurance Specialist as an example. Type in this job title and choose your location to see the openings that have come up. Don't forget to indicate the location where you want to find the job. It could be your city or just select Remote. To see location flexible opportunities, then click Search. Then hit the search button. Tell me in the comment section, where are you watching this video from? And where do you want to find your dream job around the world? Do you know that this process is one of the most efficient, that has placed many people in their dream jobs? Don't be an exception, follow through, if you need to land that dream job in no time. Now back to what we were looking for. Quality Assurance Specialist in your chosen location to see every related job opening advertised. Depending on the location you have set, you will see openings from many different companies. This as well provides you the opportunity to research a bit about the organizations you prefer to apply to, so you can understand their culture, business, structure, growth opportunities and others. It is important that you find that wonderful job opportunity in a very good work environment. Share with me in the comment section the kind of work environment you wish to work in. I mean how you want the interpersonal relationships to be, how you would grow your career and the type of boss and team members you wish to have. I am curious to know, maybe we could share some ideas. Do not forget that you can search for different roles using this process. For example, I'm going to type in People and Culture Manager, or even Human Resource Manager, just to see if current job openings are advertised with these job titles. Don't forget that a chosen location may not have an opening at the time you searched, but keep following the same procedure to see openings that come up from time to time. If you just completed school and now launching out into the job market, let me know in the comment section your field of study and interests. We can explore together the specific job titles and descriptions that work well for your career aspirations. Do not worry, if you don't have a specific job title in mind, just indicate your field of study and let us discuss what jobs you are likely to succeed in and how you can progress and rise through the ranks. Most people do not succeed with finding their dream jobs, especially with this process, because of mismatch between their educational backgrounds, knowledge, skills and abilities. It is important that every role you are searching to apply for aligns perfectly with key skills and abilities, and also that you have the requisite background to perform well in the role. Now back to our main discussion. Once your search results appear, look right above the listings. You'll see a switch labeled Job Alert Off. Click it to turn the alert on. This tells LinkedIn to notify you when similar jobs are posted. Let us recap the process up to this point. Create a LinkedIn profile account if you don't already have one, or log into your existing LinkedIn account. Click on the job menu, search the job roles you are interested in, and remember to indicate the location or remote if you prefer flexible location job openings. Look for the job alert button and turn it on. Creating job alerts on LinkedIn is a smart move, and here's why. You will stay updated. Job alerts notify you about new postings that match your skills and preferences, so you don't miss out on opportunities. You will save time. Instead of manually searching for jobs every day, LinkedIn does the work for you by sending relevant listings. You will gain a competitive edge. Being among the first to apply can increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters. You can customize alerts. You can set preferences for job title, location, industry, and frequency of notifications to tailor your search. Let us go on to the next process. Now, a pop-up will appear asking how often you want to be notified. Choose between daily or weekly updates. You can also choose whether to get alerts via email, LinkedIn notifications, or both. Then, click Save. To make your alerts even more powerful, use the filters above your search results. You can filter by experience level, date posted, remote or on-site roles, company, and job type. Once you adjust these filters, LinkedIn will tailor your alerts even more accurately. Here are some other ways to make your LinkedIn job alerts even more effective. Use specific keywords. Tailor your alerts with precise job titles and industry-specific terms to get the most relevant results. Set multiple alerts. Create different alerts for various roles, locations, or industries to broaden your opportunities. Adjust frequency. Choose daily alerts for fast-moving industries or weekly alerts for a more curated selection. Follow companies. Stay updated on job postings from companies you admire by following them on LinkedIn. Engage with recruiters. Connect with hiring managers and recruiters in your field to increase visibility. Optimize your profile. Ensure your LinkedIn profile is complete and showcases your skills so recruiters find you easily. And for this, I recommend our earlier video on creating a job-friendly LinkedIn profile. You can set up multiple alerts for different roles or industries. To manage them, go to the Jobs tab, then click on Job Alerts on the left-hand side. From there, you can edit, pause, or delete alerts anytime. If you find a job you're interested in but not ready to apply, just click the Save button on the job post. LinkedIn will remind you about it later, so you never miss a chance. Another hidden opportunity. Follow companies you admire. Go to their LinkedIn page and click Follow. You'll get notified whenever they post a new job, even if you didn't set up an alert for that role. If you would like to follow these processes, we are glad to know about it in the comments section, and as well, continue to update us on the successes you are recording by following these steps. And that's it, a simple way to let LinkedIn do the hard work for you. With job alerts, you'll never miss out on fresh, relevant job opportunities. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly career tips. Want to boost your LinkedIn strategy even more? Watch out for more of our LinkedIn optimization